How to find distinct values in SQL. This is our customers table. Now suppose our requirement is this. Find the different cities our customers come from, without any duplicates. Let us first select only the city column from the customers table. Run the query. Observe the result. Mumbai appears 2 times because 2 customers are from Mumbai. But our requirement is not to list the city for every customer. We want the different cities our customers come from, which means each city should appear only once. In other words, we want the unique or distinct city values. For that, we use the distinct keyword. When we select only one column, distinct removes duplicate values from that column in the query result. We write distinct after the select keyword and before the column name. So our query should go like this. Select distinct city values from the customers table. Run the query. Now Mumbai appears only once. The duplicate Mumbai value has been removed from the result. So, when we use distinct with a single column, it returns each different value from that column only once. Now let us understand what happens when we select more than one column with distinct. Suppose we select city and first name. Run the query. Notice that Mumbai appears 2 times again. Why? Because distinct is now considering both selected columns together. Mumbai with Amit is one combination. Mumbai with Ravi is another combination. So even though the city value is the same, the complete combination of city and first name is different. Therefore, both rows are returned. This is an important point. When distinct is used with one column, it returns unique values from that column. When distinct is used with multiple columns, it returns unique combinations of the selected column values. So the general idea is this. Distinct removes duplicate rows from the selected result. One more important point. SQL does not guarantee the order of the result unless we explicitly sort it. We will learn how to sort query results later in the course. In our next tutorial, we will learn how to use the where clause to filter rows based on a given condition.